day to you. It's going to be a very quick one today. A few months ago, my wife had to have a horse put down. I wanted to use one of Thomas's shoes to make a picture frame and put a photograph in there. Now I've got two of these. I think these are not the normal ones, which are a horseshoe shape, funny enough, but these are circular ones. I think if they got arthritis, because he had arthritic coffin joints, so he had all sorts of shoes and silicone shoes and all sorts of stuff. So I thought I'd do the first thing to do is to clean all this off. As you can imagine, it's got loads of stuff in it, and I've got some wire brushes, and I've got these off Amazon. They are tools that a dentist use, and toothpicks and things like that, so to get into all the bits and pieces. So I shall do that. You never know what horses stood in. One good thing about these horseshoes is on the back there's these two ears. I don't know what the technical word for them is. I should have found out really, shouldn't I? And I thought that would be good for the thick cardboard as a backing for the picture. That's going to be the next thing. After cleaning it all off, I'm going to try and shape the backing piece. Just want the backing board just a bit smaller than the outside, so you can't see it. So what I'm going to do is get the horseshoe, draw around the horseshoe, then come in just a few mil all the way around so you don't really see the edge. It's going to take a little bit of shaping to get it right in the back. If I cut on the inside line and then see how that shape goes from there. Right, once you've done your piece of cardboard, it's going to take a bit of time to shape it in. I need to just cut around these ears on there to bring it down a bit more, and these become good because they're there hold the bottom section of the cardboard. That's perfect. What I'm going to do now is just sand the edges. Like that, it's nice. What I'll do now is I'm going to spray that black. I'm using acrylic satin black. Going to get a few coats, but in true tradition of Blue Peter, here's the one I've done earlier. Next thing is how you want to finish your horseshoe. I'm going to keep one neutral and the other one black. I've got two of them. I've got this Rust-Oleum crystal clear. If you wipe it down with a damp cloth to get all the stuff off, all the bits and pieces. Right, we'll leave that to dry. I need to go and get some fresh air. Here's the black shoe that's finished after it's dried. It's my backing board, just want to make sure that still fits all right. Now, I've got the photograph I want to go on there. We'll put that in. The backing board. Now to keep everything in place, now I've got some rare earth magnets, and they're pretty strong. So, and that's the way I'm going to hold everything together. So, and it does the job very well. And There's the picture itself. My wife on the horse, Thomas. I did try and cut some perspex. The magnets wouldn't work very well through the perspex. So if you got some bigger magnets, they probably hold it a lot better if you want the clear perspex on there. And what I did then is drill a hole in the top for a black screw. And that is it. Just a quick one, I know. Maybe a present for Christmas, maybe, for somebody. If you find some old horseshoes about, you can ask farmers or furriers. You know, you can get some old furriers or on, I think you get them on eBay. Get everything else on eBay. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, just a short one. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you really like it, you can subscribe if you want. It costs nothing, absolutely nothing. Till the next one. Cheers.